Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with just a really quick review of the bamboo electric toothbrush replacement heads. These are pretty cool. These are by PonPace, and they're natural. They're actually natural bamboo with very little plastic involved in this. So if you're definitely you like one of the things I really like about them, they're well packaged. Each head is in an individual little box, so you could actually, if you wanted to, throw a couple of them in like a little gift bag or something for people, at work, stocking stuffers for adults, things like that, since they're all individually boxed. One thing you will notice right away with these is they're very well made. They're super lightweight. And maybe it's because of the bamboo body. The actual bristles themselves are charcoal infused, which I guess help with breath freshening and teeth whitening. I really did like the lightweightness of it, and it had way less plastic. I think it's like 6% or something like that of being plastic. These work with Sonicare, if I didn't say that yet, Philips Sonicare electric toothbrushes, which is what I use. The HX3, the HX6, the HX8, and the HX9 is what they say. I tested it on mine, and it fit fine. I just wasn't ready to switch out my toothbrush head yet. I just put it on right before I got these. But I wanted to test them out and check them. I really like them. They look good. They feel good. Environmental friendly, and I think they're really good quality. Check out PonPace's electric bamboo brush heads. Anyway, this is Frugal Panda. Everyone, thanks for watching. Amazon links will be in the description.